Hello dear students, today we will study chapter 12, that is Age of Exploration. In this chapter we will study about different European explorers and the discoveries of new routes led by them. So first of all we must try to understand what was the reason behind all these expeditions, why it was needed. The reason behind was there were only two ways to travel around the world at that time. The first was land and the second was sea. So the European traders wanted to reach India and some of the other Asian countries to do trade with them. But all the land route was being controlled by Arab traders at that time, or you can say the Muslim traders at that time. So European traders were not able to access that route. Now there was a need arise to find a new route, but why they wanted to reach India and the other Asian countries? Because some of the Indian commodities like cloth and spices were very popular in Europe and they were in great demand. A person who was doing business in these commodities was sure to get wealthy. So from here the expedition started. So what is age of exploration? It is that time period when Europeans started exploring the world through sea travels. जब यूरोपियन ट्रेडर्स ने या यूरोपियन सेलर्स ने दुनिया में ट्रेवल करना शुरू किया, बट थ्रू द वे ऑफ सी. It was known as age of exploration. And why this age of exploration? What was the reason behind all these travels? The reason behind was to gain wealth and knowledge. So the first person was Bartholomew Diaz. He was the first European to round the Cape of Good Hope. So basically he started his journey from the Portugal. As you can see in this animation, and he traveled all along the coast of Africa, the west coast of Africa, and there he discovered at the southernmost tip of the Africa Cape of Good Hope, which was originally named as Cape of Storms by Bartholomew Diaz, because when he was traveling through this cape he experienced very fierce weather. बहुत तूफान उस टाइम वहाँ पर था और बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट क्लाइमेट था जिसमें वो ट्रेवल कर सके. वेदर था. So this Cape of Storm was later renamed as Cape of Good Hope by the King John II. Why? Because it opened the new routes to reach East Africa, India and other parts of Asia, and that too bypassing the Middle East. So it was a very important discovery जिसके थ्रू पोर्टुगल्स ने काफ़ी बिजनेस किया in India and other Asian countries. Now we will study about Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan was a Portuguese-born explorer, but he was not given any opportunity by the King of Portugal to lead any expedition. Then he turned towards the Spain. The King of Spain gave him permission to lead his expedition, and not only permission, he provided him with all the resources which were required to lead his expedition. So in this map you can see the red line is indicating the journey undertook by Magellan and the blue line is indicating the journey undertook by Elcano. What happened? This expedition was started by Magellan, but he was killed in the middle only, and he was not able to complete this journey, or he was not able to reach back to Spain. So we'll understand what and how all the things happened. So on August 10, 1519, Magellan started his journey from the Spain, and he crossed the waters of Atlantic Ocean, and then he traveled to the eastern coast of Latin America, or you can say South America now. There he reached Strait of Magellan, which is named after him, and he entered into the Pacific Ocean. In starting to Magellan, Pacific Ocean seemed to be very calm ocean, but he was not aware how much time it will took for him to cross the entire Pacific Ocean. But after such a long journey, when he reached the Philippines, he was killed there. He was killed by the people, those who were living there, on April 27, 1521. But his deputy Juan Sebastian Elcano keep going with his journey, and he crossed the Indian Ocean and reached back to Spain on September 6, 1522. When he reached Spain back, he was having one ship with him, only one ship, which was having huge quantities of clothes. And this entire journey was the first successful circumnavigation. What is circumnavigation? To travel around the earth, to sail around the earth. So this journey was completed in Spain by Elcano. This entire journey was known as circumnavigation. That's all for today.